Hey there, Para folks. Here's how you can save or import houses in Paralives. If you're purchasing a vacant lot and want to start fresh, you can actually import or save house and lot layouts directly through the residence menu. To do this, zoom out and click on your residence icon. Inside the household residence window, you'll find 4 buttons along the bottom section. Look for the house icon with the plus sign. That's the option used for importing house or lot designs. Click it, and you'll be able to browse through community-made creations as well as designs made by the developers themselves. Once you've chosen a design, just make sure you have enough funds to place it. Thankfully, there are also plenty of free options available, so feel free to take your time browsing through the selection. Now, if you've created your own house and want to reuse that design in another save or on a different lot, you can save it through the same residence window. Simply click on the folder icon with the arrow to save the design. After that, enter a name for your lot, and it'll be added to your library. You can then use that saved design in another playthrough or place it on a different lot within the same game session. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next side quest.